You need to hear this if you're tired of driving in silence because your F150's blower motor quit on you. First things first, safety. Disconnect the battery before you even think about touching anything. Now pop open the glove box and empty it out. Push the sides in and let it drop down. There it is, our target, the blower motor. Next, unplug the electrical connector. If it's stuck, a gentle wiggle should do the trick. Then remove the screws or bolts holding the blower motor in place. Keep those screws safe, you'll need them later. Once the blower motor is out, inspect it for any obvious damage. Sometimes it's just a matter of cleaning out debris. If it looks beyond saving, it's time for a replacement. Grab your new blower motor and slide it into place. Reattach the screws nice and snug. Connect the electrical plug, making sure it clicks in securely. Now before you close everything up, reconnect the battery and give it a test. If everything's working, you're golden. If not, double check your connections and make sure the new blower motor is seated properly. Once you're sure everything's good, put the glove box back in place. Job done. Enjoy the breeze, and there you have it. Fixing your Ford F150 blower motor made simple. Hit that like button if this helped you out, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tips.